Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat device ban Android on settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to this is window here or settings window like you say, and you will just go down here and you click here on apps. Then you come here to apps window and this is window, and you will just go down here to looking for snapshots up here, and this is window. We will just go down to found snapshots up, and we will click here on snapshot. Then we come to next window here like you say here, and this is window, and you will click here on for stop, and you will click here on OK, and you just click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. You will just click here on clear cache here and clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.